Single attached na 14,900 per month? Hi, I'm Bebs. Welcome to Talanay Homes. Located at Sapang Bayabas, Mabalacat, Pampanga. 8 minutes drive to MacArthur Highway, 10 minutes drive to Mabiga exit. This is a GoHo model. Complete finish na upon turnover. Meron siyang size na 65 square meter lot at floor area na 62 square meter. With 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms na. What I like the most is stretchable ang kanyang down payment into 24 months kaya hindi ganong kabigat lalo na sa mga nag-uumpisa pa lang magkaroon ng sarili nilang bahay. And for as low as 10,000 pesos, maumpisahan mo na ang iyong dream home. Start your dream home today. See you mga kawerpa! Bye!